Hello there, this is the very first video on the how to build a profitable website series. On this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get a hosting account and install WordPress. Okay. For it, I'm going to use Bluehost. This is a hosting company, the one I'm using, but there are many others out there. So if you prefer another one or you already have a hosting account, you can use yours. That's fine. Okay. I've seen a video where a guy does this in less than 4 minutes, so it's a bit fast, so I'm going to take my time, but it's not going to be much longer. Okay, so the first thing you will need is a domain name. Okay, your domain is like google.com or mysite.com, or you have to come up with a name. Okay, but we'll get to it later. So I'm here at the Bluehost webpage. Here, okay, I'm going to go for the cheapest hosting out here, which is shared hosting. Okay, which is fine for most people. Okay, and then you have two options. Well, actually three, but for this course we're going to take just basic or plus. What's the difference? With basic you can have just one website. With plus you can have up to 10 websites. Okay, so I suggest you take the plus one because you might want to have another website in the future. Okay, so we're going to take this one and just come here and select it. Remember the plus. Now you have to enter the domain here, okay? Of course, it has to be a domain that's actually free. If I want to purchase google.com, it's going to let me know that I cannot do that, okay? But for this example, I'm going to use the domain profitablewebsite.com, okay? So click next, then here you will enter your domain name. And here I'm going to enter my personal details. Everything fine. Yes. Okay. Then I get to choose which plan I want. So here is a catch. If you want the price to be the lowest, you have to pay for 36 months in advance. If you pay for 24, this is the monthly price. For this example, I want to go with the 12 months, okay, which is $75 a month. Okay. And you get other options you can pick, but you can just uncheck all of them. You won't be needing them, I'd say. And then you have to pay, of course. You can pay with credit card, entering here your credit card number, or if you click here, you can pay with PayPal, which is what I'm going to do, okay, using my PayPal account. Right, I'm going to enter my details here. And just click here, confirm. Submit. It's taking a bit of time. What's it doing? Okay, now so I'm here in my PayPal account. I'm going to enter my PayPal details to pay. If you chose credit card, your screen will be different, but pretty similar. Okay. Yes, here you can see my screen is in Spanish because I'm from Spain, but if you're not from here, it's going to be pretty similar. Okay, so this is what I'm going to pay for it for the whole year. Okay, I'm going to click pay now. And it's taking its time. Right, so I've got my account, the purchase was successful. They send me an email, and I'm going to choose a password for my account, okay? Here, click here. And then I need an uppercase as well, so I recommend you try to get something hard so you don't get hacked in the future. Okay, so I confirm, agree, and click continue. Okay. Yeah, okay, this is they're still working, so things are free for me. Let's give them some time. I want to check my email now to see if they send me this welcome mail here. No, they're still working on it, but it shouldn't be long. I'm going to just to pause the video for a few minutes and come back when I get this welcome email. Okay, so 10 seconds after I stopped the video, then this came up. So I'm inside my account. I don't have to enter anything, or I just kept the website open, and here you can. Okay, so this is welcome. I'm going to skip this. And the first and only thing we have to do is install WordPress. Okay, so if you scroll down here, you'll see something called install WordPress, which is very helpful. You're going to click here. Okay, we need to wait a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video again and wait until they have done everything here, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so it only took 1 more minute. Okay, I didn't touch anything, I just waited for the screen to load, and this is what came up. Okay, it says do it yourself free, or you can pay for them to do it, but we're going to do it ourselves. Much more fun and much cheaper. Okay, so you have here WordPress, we're going to click on install. Okay, that says which domain you would like to install it to. If you have several of them, you choose several, but in this case we just have one, which is this one. And I'm going to click check domain. Right, we have to agree here, and I'm going to click here show advanced options. Here we're going to name the site how to build a pro. So my username and then my admin password here. Okay, you can change it to something else if you want. And we're going to click on install now. I'm going to copy the password so I don't forget. Okay, so we're setting up WordPress for you. Yeah, well, they're going to try to sell you something, but yeah, you don't have to get anything else. Okay. It's going to wait here. It says be progress here. As you can see, it's going pretty fast. Yeah, there's other things I'm going to try for you to purchase, but yeah, again, you don't need to buy anything else. We are almost there. Yeah, your install is complete. Yeah, so we click on view credentials. Yeah, here it is. So it's telling me that it's installed here. Your WordPress install is finished. So if I click here to view the credentials, it's going to tell me my username and password. Okay, again, they're going to try to sell something else. But here's the admin URL. You can see if we click here, this page is opening. So you get to the WordPress admin screen. I'm going to copy my username here. Copy and paste. I'm going to do the same with the password. Here is copy and paste. Okay, so I'm inside the dashboard here, and if I click on the front end, you can see this is, so it's 8 minutes. We got our first website up and running, how to build a profitable website in 8 minutes. Okay, so this is the first step. We got WordPress installed, and on the next videos, I'm going to show you how to configure it. Okay, so thanks for watching. Cheers.